Are you ready to take control of your personal finances? Here are 10 money rules to help you master your financial situation. Rule number 1. Create a budget and stick to it. Knowing where your money is going is the first step to financial success. Rule number 2. Save at least 10% of your income. Building up your savings is crucial for emergencies and future investments. Rule number 3. Pay off high-interest debt as quickly as possible. Interest charges can add up fast, so focus on paying off those debts first. Rule number 4. Invest for the future. Whether it's in a retirement account or the stock market, investing can help grow your wealth over time. Rule number 5. Live below your means. Avoid overspending and prioritize your needs over wants. Rule number 6. Track your spending. Keeping tabs on your expenses can help you identify areas where you can cut back. Rule number 7. Set financial goals. Having clear objectives can motivate you to stay on track with your finances. Rule number 8. Educate yourself about personal finance. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make smart financial decisions. Rule number 9. Seek professional advice when needed. Financial advisors can provide valuable insights and guidance for your specific situation. And finally, rule number 10, stay disciplined and be patient. Mastering your personal finances takes time and effort, but the rewards are well worth it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on mastering your personal finances.